Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday, plus there is NFP, plus it's actually a holiday, so the market won't be moving that much. So if we check other pairs, mostly the market, you'll see it seems like the market is not actually moving, and we expect that it's actually a holiday, so there is less liquidity actually in the market. There's very few people who are trading today, so people, they went to holidays, guys, and it's not surprising, but yeah, we can still check what's really happening in the market. So yeah, we're back to normal. You can see the service packages, you can see there. Monthly is $45. Those are VIP signals. $250 lifetime if you just want to join once and relax. So my recommended broker, you can see, you don't even have to ask. You can check the link. You will find the link in the description. It's actually EXNESS. You can also trade the likes of NASDAQ, US30s, even with 50 rands. So it's quite cheap. So yeah, without wasting enough time, yeah, well, let's just go on the analysis. Remember, is that day actually where we're going to have NFP. Let me search this for you. So for those who actually don't know, let me just check this one for you. You will see. Let me see. Yeah, it's Friday, it's today actually, 2:30. So yeah, we expecting something around here, but I don't know how will the market react, whether the market is gonna go crazy or maybe the market will not actually move. We will see. For now, we don't actually know much, but I think maybe the jobs, they're gonna go lower, than the NASDAQ, the US30s, they're gonna go up. So what's really happening actually on NASDAQ? This is daily time frame. If you still remember yesterday, I drawn something like this actually as a support, or it was a previous resistance, and it seems like the market actually did come around that area and push up again, but that was not really that clear because this area is very thick, guys. This area is very thick, so you won't actually know exactly where will the market respect, and the market touched that and started to push the upside. And that this week actually, things were actually a bit tough for us because we did not have a proper support, but we will go on a 4 hours time frame just for everyone to see nicely. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Now we are on a 4 hours time frame. You can see what's really happening here. You can see that the market, yes, was pushing to the upside. The market created some sort of areas where we thought maybe those are going to be the support, and yes, those were the support areas actually, but the market actually did break that, and we did not actually have negative news. So the market started to push the lower side. I thought maybe the market was going to respect this area. Guess what? The market did not, and then the market started to create another level there. Let me just zoom actually there. Maybe you will understand what I'm trying to say. So now obviously you can see the market created another area around this area. This was not that bad, but the market kept pushing lower and lower, and this is 4 hours time frame. So let me just go on a bit smaller time frame, or before that, yes, the market did respect a certain area level where actually is very close, or let's say around the support area, even if I think maybe that went out. Actually, that actually did went out. That's why it was a bit confusing. Let me just push it like this. It's supposed to be like this. Actually, the market went out, but you know, the market sometimes, if maybe it's that week where we're supposed to lose, something like that will happen and we'll end up losing. So if we check on the left hand side, it's not a proper area to say. You won't actually know if maybe we're supposed to connect with this area or maybe this area, because these areas, they all make sense, you see. And if we're going to use them all, it means this area is going to be like seriously thick like that. So you won't know if maybe the market is breaking or not, you see. But I hope we learn. I hope you're gonna learn from learn something from here. And yeah, we're learning every day, even if maybe sometimes things don't go the way we want. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. We had an area here which made sense actually. Let me just take this maybe, which made sense. You see there? That was making sense actually before the market breaks. That made sense. You can see that made sense. So from here, the market started to do what? To break again. And also it's on top of that support. So obviously this is sort of a fake breakout. We wanted to sell. Obviously I did take some few sells, then the market tried to go against me again, and I just waited for the market to break this area, and I took another buy and I got out. But it was very stressful. But now, just because now we see, it seems like it was obvious. It's not actually that obvious. But what we see now is, since the market is back again on our above our support area, we expect the market to do what? To keep pushing up. Yes, later on there is NFP. Maybe something will happen. Maybe the market will push up or down. Today I'm not going to just entertain NFP that much, but I will see what I can do. But I'm expecting to see the market pushing up again. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends, guys. So let's go straight to US30. I'm just going to do US30 and gold. I think gold is not even moving today. So now we are on US30. What's really happening? You see, when we have these crazy moves, sometimes it's much better to use a bigger time frame just to understand what's really happening. Now we are on US30. US30 did not actually suffer like NASDAQ. You can see that US30 was actually respecting some certain moves there. I think maybe 2 hours will be much better. For US30, I think it was simple. You see, we have some areas here. Those areas is where the market came back, bounced back around that, and the market respected those very nice, you see. But the way the market was moving also, we had also an area like that. Do you see that? The market was also respecting this sort of an area. Then the market actually broke out. That's the issue. Then when we have double structures, but the market actually showed us that I was respecting this area, and the market came back, respected that, and pushed up. It seems like now the market is trying to push lower. So what happened, or what will happen now? I think it doesn't really matter actually what might happen now, but what I'm expecting is I think this area might still be like still very, very, very important. I think the market can still play around that zone. Remember, this is a bit bigger. It's in between a bigger time frame. Actually, it's 2 hours time frame. So I'm expecting the market to do something around this area. So it seems like the market is about to sell. Maybe the market will touch our support area before pushing up. That might also happen. So I don't think maybe there's much that I can show you on gold, because I think it's not actually moving. But let me just show you what I was expecting. This thing's playing games. I did sell this thing and it pushed up, but now it's down again. So what's really happening on gold? I think it's quite straightforward. We had a very, very nice structure, which we can call that a wedge. Then after we see that the market actually broke out, I'm expecting a nice retest before we see the market pushing up again. But since we're going to have like some sort of NFP, things might change here and the market might go anywhere. So we're not going to lie and say the market is going to go up or down. No, we don't have to do that. But I think the market can show us another structure. For now, we don't actually have that, because the previous structure that we had is this one. From this area, we don't have a proper one. So the market has to create something before we start to connect those structures. I hope you understand that. So we're not going to waste much time on gold, but you know what, we will see actually. We'll see what will happen. We'll see what will happen if maybe things are going if the structures allow us to take something, yes, we're gonna risk that and take something. But if not, we're just going to relax. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. You can see, you can check the link, WhatsApp link in my description. You can just WhatsApp me if you want to be part of the team. $45, $80, $150 for 12 months, guys. That is actually affordable. Register with EXNESS. That is the very best broker that I'm actually using. I think for us, or for people who don't actually have enough cash, they can trade with that. You can still enjoy trading NASDAQ and US30 with very small amount. You can start with 80 rands or 100 rands. I think that it's something that it's really good, and it's not that risky. So you can use like smaller lot size, and you can see even the negatives or the positive, they are very small. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share, subscribe. Bye.